got here today. We about to take this gas tank down to replace the fuel pump in this vehicle. First things we're gonna do, we're gonna disconnect these plugs right here. There's one plug here, another plug here, and another plug here. These gotta get disconnected because they're going up to the gas tank. Also, you have the electric plug over here that you have to remove, and you have another one here, if you can see it, the main hose where you fill the tank. You have to remove those, disconnect those. Then we're gonna drop the exhaust muffler. What I usually do, I drop the hangers, let it hang, and I pass the tank over the muffler. All right, this tank doesn't have a lot of gas, so it's easy for me to get that done. All right, and the good thing is it's not a four-wheel drive, so it doesn't have the drive shaft or the rear differential for me to remove to get to it, so it's not that bad. All right, so stick with me and let's get this done. All right, don't do it too crazy because you don't want to break this and damage this. That's a whole headache that you don't want. So I just simply just shift it to the side like this. Then I'm gonna get my jack stand and jack it up, let this bolt out. One more right here, and then while I lower it, I'm just gonna get this line. We're gonna blow the dust off of this, clean it off. Then we're gonna get ready to